So I've
Good
got a
morning.
98. I live in Buckeye, Arizona, and I've got a swamp cooler on it. It's got swamp cooler and air conditioning, and honestly, I've never used the swamp cooler at all. We don't prefer it. So I was thinking about replacing that swamp cooler with a attic fan. I've seen some solar ones online, and I'm wondering thoughts on those. Is that something that would be value add? Because I want to take out the swamp cooler anyways.
Doing a solar attic fan definitely will help. Just make sure that when you're taking that swamp cooler off that you have a HVAC company, AC company come out there and disconnect the water line and make sure it's disconnected. And then once they disconnect that, then you can have someone come out there and do the roof work. If you have a shingle roof, obviously replace the shingles, install new felt paper, and then you can have someone, while they're doing that, cut out the hole to install that solar fan.
And I would, when you're disconnecting the water line up there, I would take it as far back as you can. I don't want that water line hanging out in the attic. You don't have to remove it, but wherever the water source comes back from, as far back as you can go, just so you don't have a pressurized line up to nothing.
You're 100% correct, Romy, 100%. Yep.
And I would tell him that if he's going to vent the roof at all, especially with a power ventilation fan, make sure he's got plenty of air intake, because you don't want that solar fan depressurizing the attic and literally sucking the air conditioning air out of your ceiling through the junction boxes and the exhaust fans. So make sure if you are exhausting something out of your attic, you are also inhaling more than you're exhaling. So
More often than not, we tell people not to do that because of that.
passive ventilation is much better for an attic than active or aggressive or powered ventilation. So
And we also have, like, if he has a shingle roof, we can do like a ridge vent.
there
we
you
can
go,
add,
baby. That's a
we
ticket,
can add
baby.
turbines. The solar attic fans are becoming something popular. And so I feel like a lot of times with people's roofs, it's more so like that's his preference. He can do it, but there is, like I said, ridge vent, turbines.
And those are actually better options.
My opinion, they are better
They
options.
are. And they're better options for the roof, and they're better options for attic heat control and
Yes.
energy efficiency.